Data is the new fuel, and those who master it shape the future. Bachelor of Computer Applications in Data Science at Chandigarh University is designed to equip you with a strong foundation in data analytics, programming, and machine learning, preparing you for the data-driven industry. Designed to meet global industry standards, our cutting-edge curriculum prepares you for the data-driven era. Train in industry-sponsored labs to gain hands-on experience in the latest computing and data technologies. Work with cutting-edge tools in data science, cloud platforms and automation. Master data science with specialized courses from the world's top learning platforms, boosting your credentials. Expand your expertise with domain-specific certifications from top foreign universities. Transform into industry-ready professionals, ready for high-impact roles. Your journey to becoming a data leader starts here. Enroll today at Chandigarh University, a world of opportunities.